Who is this, Jan? Who's singing?
What?
Who's singing that?
Bird.
Yeah, who sings it though? What's his name?
Huh?
What's the guy's name? Who's this?
Huh?
Who's this?
Is it milk? What's up that car?
What does Daddy do when he listens to this?
Huh?
What does Daddy do when he listens to this?
Let's do this.
Like this?
Let's do this. Let's do this.
That's what he does?
Yes. Should we do?
Is that what he does?
Yes. Should we do? That is silly.
Daddy's silly?
Yes.
You love Daddy? How much?
Hey, let's do this.
Say he's the best daddy ever, right?
Let's do this.
Huh?
Let's do this.
Do this?
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Hey, do this. My mom.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Daddy does that?
Yes.
What does that mean? Does he do this?
Slowly.
Do the whole thing, Chan. Go like this, like Daddy does.
That is silly.
Daddy's silly, but he's a good daddy, isn't he? Chan, come here.